Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm C Slays, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous glitter cut crease with like a white wing liner. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And to all my black people, please make sure you are taking care of yourself, because we are literally living through a pandemic and a revolution all at the same time. So just make sure you're doing all that you can, like donating, signing petitions, and all that good stuff. But please prioritize self-care. And to all black people, like my black women, my black queer folk, black trans people, black men, black everybody, black anybody, black everything, I just want to tell you guys, if you haven't heard it from anyone today, or if you're just having a bad day with all this stuff going on, I love you, and you guys are loved. You are whole, you are powerful, you are divine, and we are resilient people, and we're gonna work and we're gonna get through this. In the description box, I'm gonna try to put as many resources as I can. In the comments, you can also drop a whole bunch of resources, things that you found useful during this time, links to where people can donate, links to where people can sign petitions, links to like anything, like safety tips for people who are like physically protesting, or even things for like COVID relief, like whatever. Like literally, I'm gonna put a whole bunch of stuff in the description box. In the comments, feel free to add more resources so that way I can continue to add them to the description box. Dang, the makeup is already moving. Okay, whatever. But I'm not gonna talk y'all through the makeup because I don't even have the capacity right now. But be sure to check the description box for all of the products that I used. But more importantly, check the description box for all of the resources. So yes, I love you guys. Stay well, stay healthy, prioritize self-care, and do as much as you can, as much as in your capacity to do, and support and love on one another.